Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to update channels on Roku. Let's go. First way, choose app. Press to the options button. Check for updates. Or remove app and install again. Second way, open settings. System. Advanced system settings. Software update. Check now. All applications will be updated. After the update, restart the system. That's it. Now you know how to update channels on Roku. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.